Right, what I want to do here is just give you a quick look at how in Paint.net we can distort a face. Once you've got the program open and you've got your face in place, it's really not that complicated. There's only a few controls and commands that you need to know about. Make sure you've got the face a reasonable size. You know, that's a little bit big, that's a little bit small, something like that. And then we need to go and look over here. And we're going to start by looking at the effects button. And we're interested in distort. And if I start by using bulge, what happens, a little box pops up with the controls. I'll park that over here, and you'll see in the little box here there's a plus sign. If I move that around, you can see it's focusing on different areas of the picture. Now, if for instance I want to make his eyes appear very big, I'll move the cross over the eye in the small box, and then I can start playing with the controls here to extend and adjust things. Now you can see my cross is perhaps a little bit too much on the eyebrow and not quite enough on the eye, so I'm just going to slide that down slightly. That's much better. We're getting the eye much bigger there. I'm going to click on OK, and that sets that as fixed. I'm going to go back to distort again and grab hold of the bulge tool again, but this time I'm going to put it over the other eye because I want both eyes to be kind of quite big. So both eyes have been extended there. I'll click on OK. I think it's going to be quite interesting also to enlarge his forehead, so we're going to do that as well. We go to distort, bulge, and this time we move the cross over the forehead a little bit more. And let's see if I can make that a bit bigger still. Yeah, okay. The other main control we can use is the twist one, which is also, yeah, here we are, in the distort column, twist at the bottom. Now this twist one is very easy to completely overdo. We're going to have to use it much more carefully than that. The idea is to keep the face recognizable. I'm moving it down towards the side of the face, and I'm going to try reducing that on this slider to get something which is much more subtle. And once you start doing this, it really is just a question of playing about with it and seeing what effects you can get. It might also be interesting to try applying this a little bit onto his eyebrows. We'll try applying that on the other side as well. Here. But we want to go in the other direction. And maybe not quite that hard. Something like that. Put back to bulging. And you can see we've manipulated the face really quite a great deal.